What's going on, Easy Agent Proers? In today's video, I'm going to be going over 4 ways that you can market your listings via Easy Agent Pro so that you can help get more sales and get more leads out of your listings, as well as probably sell that listing. And like I've mentioned, there's 4 ways I like to market my listings. I have them listed on the screen. One is with an instant access to property information. Another way is via an open house. And then I will also use just listed campaigns as well as coming soon campaign when it comes to marketing the exact property online. So let's go over to Easy Agent Pro and I'll show you exactly how I use each separate one. So when it comes to giving people access to information in regards to the exact house that I'm listing, I like to use a few different squeeze pages that they have on Easy Agent Pro. However, let me go down to the exact one that I use the most and get the best results with. And that is this one right here. And in this one, I can kind of give a virtual tour of the property. So as you click on, you can come in and you can see now you can do this multiple ways. With the virtual tour, you can either upload a video or images of the property so that you're showing people exactly what they're going to be moving into. It's almost like an open house, except via the computer. So you can go down, you can update all of the information as far as the bedrooms, bath, price, square footage, and all of this. You can give a short description of the property, usually what you can probably put inside of the MLS, upload more pictures as well, and the video, as I've mentioned previously. And then you can have all of your information down here. Now, with this type of squeeze page, you're going to be giving away a lot of information to people for free, and not a lot of real estate agents like this. They like to get people to give them their contact information to get information. However, I like to use this one because it cuts down on a lot of tire kickers. It cuts down on a lot of people that are just going to be just looking and aren't really interested. And when I get an actual lead from this type of landing page, from this type of squeeze page, more than likely they are ready to go. They're ready to purchase. They've actually been pre-qualified or pre-approved. They've gone down all of that, or they're ready to go down that part of the process. They're not looking to just look at houses. They're actually interested in going down this process if they come all the way down to the bottom and are willing to give you their contact information. Now, usually I will get rid of the message part and I will just use their first, last name, and email and phone number to contact them. Maybe even not their phone number, I'll just shoot them an email. But I will go from there with this squeeze page. Now, there are plenty of squeeze pages that you can use, but when it comes to open houses, just listed and coming soon ads or type of listings that I will put online to generate leads, I use one type of squeeze page. Let me scroll down to this one, and it is this squeeze page right here. Now, this one is extremely simple, and I enjoy having extremely simple squeeze pages and landing pages because it cuts down what people have to do. It cuts down on the amount of scrolling, it cuts down on the amount of decision making that they have. All it does is it gives them a simple option of, do you want this information or do you not? And it cuts down on a lot of tire kickers. So let's go over and take a look at how I can customize this for an open house, just listed, or coming soon. So it's already set up to be a coming soon type of listing. Now, in my experience, doing a coming soon ad or a coming soon type of squeeze page gets the best results for me, because what I like to do is set the property up so that there can be no showings and not really much marketing is done to it outside of the ads and having it up on the MLS, but no showings or anything for the first week. And this coming soon ad works in coordination with that because it'll pique people's interest. It'll make them actually interested in the house, especially if the property is going to be listed at a good price where people are actually going to want to buy. So by setting up the coming soon ad, giving them, hey, you're going to get early access to the property, get information before it's actually available to the masses, before other people can come out and see it. And I do a short video in regards to the property, pretty much telling them about it, having a few pictures, showing them around it just a little bit, but not showing too much. And I have them sign up to possibly see the property or get more information. This results in multiple offers a lot of times, because if you schedule your showings or if you're having an open house as soon on the very first day that you have the coming soon ad, then you are going to have a lot of people show up, and it's going to pique a lot of interest, and you're going to get a good bit of offers if it's priced right and it shows right. So using this same ad, it can be done the same for a just listed property. So if the property has already been listed, all you have to do is change the verbiage right here from coming soon to just listed, best value on the market, or some other headline that works for your area. So all you have to do is, instead of sign me up or register now to be coming soon and all of that, all you have to do is change this to say this property is just listed, it's generating a lot of interest, it won't be on the market long. Click below to schedule a showing to see it or to get more information on the property, and change the video that's off to the side to something that is going to, instead of say that the property is coming soon, that the property is just listed. Walk through the property a little bit, show a few rooms, show a few pictures of the property, and tell them about it a little bit. And that's all you have to do. This is a great squeeze page that can be converted from coming soon to just listed. Now, when it comes to an open house, it is really just as simple to change it up and make it something that you can use for an open house. So change the coming soon and change the best value on the market and all of that to pretty much just say there's an open house going to be on such and such date. And inside of this little description area down here, you can tell people about the property, tell them about the open house that's going to be coming up. If you have any sort of raffle or any type of incentives for people that are going to be coming, any neighborhood businesses that are going to be helping out with the open house, you put all that information there, as well as on the video on the side, so that in case people are watching that, as you're walking through the property, you can tell them about the open house and what you're going to be doing there, and open local businesses, or tell them about the community and all the other information inside of that video. And you can, instead of having people sign up, you can have them put their information in for and more information on the open house or more information on the property itself. So that's 4 ways that you can market your listings via EasyAgentPro online. And we all know that these days, most buyers are finding their properties online. So learning your market and learning which types of ads work best in your area is probably going to be one of the better ways that you can take your listings from sitting on the market for a while to being sold in a few days with multiple offers or for above asking price. Now, if you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments section. We're going to be answering all of those down below. If you like the video, be sure to leave it a like. It lets us know you enjoy these types of videos, and it helps our channel to grow. If you're new, be sure to subscribe so you're not missing out on any new videos. And my name is Michael Hicks. I'll see you in the next one.